Okay, today, so we're gonna make some creamy Cajun remoulade, and how we're gonna start off is we're gonna use this Hellmann's mayonnaise, using about a cup. So here we go.
Cup full of mayonnaise.
Y'all know that. Hope y'all know that most sauces are kind of based with some type of ketchup, mustard, or mayo. Okay, so next you're gonna add your Dijon mustard, and you can use your, I guess, whatever your favorite brand is, you can use. You're also gonna add a tablespoon of ketchup, a tablespoon of smoked paprika, a half a tablespoon of garlic powder, a half a tablespoon of onion powder. Next, you're gonna add a tablespoon of relish, a little black pepper. And for this, we're gonna take a fourth of an orange, and we're gonna juice the orange. Just take some of the juice and put it in there like that. About a pinch of salt. Now whisk this all together. Okay, so now we're gonna use, we're gonna make a flour mixture for frying our fish. We're gonna use about a cup and a half of flour. And I'm using all-purpose flour. I'm gonna use some smoked paprika. You can season this how much you want. I like to season real good. My dog barking. Hit it with a pinch of salt. I use a little Old Bay. You never season your fish too much. A little bit of heat, so a little bit of cayenne pepper. Not too much of that, you know. You know what that'll have you doing. And last but not least, we're gonna add a little bit of, about a tablespoon of baking powder. That helps that fish turn real crispy. Once you get that at, you're gonna go ahead and mix all this together. Okay, so right now we got our fish thawed out or whatever. These are flounder. I like flounder. I like fish that don't have too many bones in it. So we're gonna season our fish. First, we're gonna season each side. We're gonna hit it with some garlic powder. We're gonna hit it with some onion powder. And nothing like biting into some meat that ain't got no seasoning, no flavor. Straight horrible. All right, we got some smoked paprika. You gotta definitely use some Old Bay. Good seafood flavor. Good for chicken as well. People don't know that. Once you season one side, we're gonna flip the other side. So we're gonna flip right here. Flip it. Trying to keep the fish together. Now we're gonna season the other side, same thing, onion powder. Hey, season as much as you like. I just hate bland food. Garlic powder.